Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Junko. Today I'm going to show you something that is really simple. It looks harder than it is. I'm going to be showing you one of the ways that I do my eyebrows. If you don't like this way or you're not comfortable trying it, I also have a really simple, like, everyday goth type, like, pencil brows tutorial coming up. And then also already on my channel you can see a like a trial of the eyebrow stamps that people have been showing, and I had some good and some bad experience with that, but it worked out in the end. So today, if you want to see how I do like my pink eyebrows, just hang in there, because pretty soon you'll be able to do it too. I literally only use two things. The first one is a pink lip eyeliner type deal. It was very cheap. I got it in a pack of many colors off of eBay, so I don't really know what brand it is. It's just kind of generic. I've also used the unique perky pink like lip liner pencil and had great results with that. It's got super duper staying power, so if you know anybody who sells unique, definitely see if you can pick up one or two of these pencils. The other thing that I'm using is from Hikari Cosmetics. It is a really pink, what is it, charmed colored blush. It's like, I mean, you can definitely see it is super pink. So this was really good when my hair was like hot insane pink. It's a whole lot more pastel now than it was, but I think it still works. I really like it, so let me just get right into it, okay? The first thing that you are going to want to do is trace like an outline for your brows, so you can like imagine like a coloring book, you want to make a shape for you to follow. So the way I start is on the bottom of my brow here. Now it's a lot tougher for me because of my piercings. I used to make them a whole lot more like arched before I got the piercings, and I made the mistake of not wearing makeup when I got them pierced, so they pierced it too low, and the only thing I can really do is push the piercings up because I've got these big long bars. But you're just gonna have to work with your natural eyebrow, draw the shape however you like it. Some people like them a bit more flat with the like Japanese style, or some people do the like cyber goths with the crazy like big giant archy eyebrows. But it's totally up to you. It will work like either way, whichever you do. So the first thing, don't start like too close out here where the hair is not really thick, but just kind of follow your brow. Make a really gentle line on the bottom. See, you're gonna kind of create the shape to work with, and then come back down on the edge here. That's a little too high. Now the end of your eyebrow should be more solid. There we go. Okay, so the bottom, go around and curve down here. That's like the most solid line up here towards the top. You want to start almost equal with the bottom, but like slightly back a little more, because this part is going to be more like hair. So also another solid line. So that's the shape that you are going to fill in like this. So you see it's not all the way over, here. So if you do draw it all the way out, it's gonna look a whole lot more unnatural. I know that sounds funny saying unnatural because I'm drawing pink eyebrows, but you know what I mean if you see it. So take your pencil and right around here, just make like a stroke going up like a hair. Make like a couple out here and like fill in like that. See, it's not totally solid, but it is more like filled in. So, okay, the next thing you want is the powder, and you need one of these little bitty brushes like this, the angled brush. You can see this is just a really, everything I use like really generic little brushes, cheap eBay makeup. Okay, so take this ginormous pink powder, okay, and just tap. You don't want to like scoop or anything, just tap right into it really gently. Okay. Okay, so now this brush might be kind of wide, I think, so it's hard to do this in a phone and not a mirror. This one you want to go like all the way out to where you want your brows to start. So start and just kind of like tap, 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 tap in until it blends in with the pencil. So I like to start right about where my bridge is. Tap, 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 tap. Okay. Don't want to do too much with this, otherwise the like the smooth like lines get lost. You know what I mean? Okay, and that's it. That's literally all there is. So let me go ahead and do the other one so you can see how it looks when I have both eyebrows. Again, you just, this is tough because I'm left-handed here. Down here, draw one line. I'm trying to not mess this up this time. I guess it would kind of go without saying a little bit, but this works a lot better when your pencil is really sharp. Okay, not gonna lie, I totally messed that up. I made this one a lot higher up than this one, so this one I like better. I'm going to try and redo this one a little bit with the brush. Let's see if I can fix this. I think everybody knows the struggle of trying to get it even. Down a little bit. There we go. That's a bit better. Anyway, so took me like, I don't know, 2 minutes maybe to get my eyebrows. You can see like 2 products very, very quickly. You know, before I did the brows, I put some of this like green, I don't know if you can see it on my cheek here, this green highlighter up here to kind of make it pop a bit. So good luck. Try it out. Let me see how you do. And thank you for watching. I hope you check back soon. Bye-bye.